Little moonbeam. Tonight, the moon is big and bright in the sky. A glowing friend watching over us. The full moon is a time for letting go of worries and shining your brightest light. Let's take a few minutes to breathe. Take a deep breath in and imagine you're breathing in silver moonlight. Breathe out slowly, letting go of any tired thoughts or heavy feelings. Let's do that again. Inhale light. Exhale calm. Imagine you are standing in a quiet meadow. The full moon shines above you, bright and round like a gentle lantern in the sky. Its light feels warm and peaceful. You can almost feel it whisper, "You are safe. You are loved." The moonlight wraps around you like a soft, silvery blanket. It fills your heart with calm and happiness. Now, let's whisper some moon magic words together. Affirmations that make your heart glow. I am calm like the moon. I shine bright even in the dark. I let go of worries that don't belong to me. I am strong, kind, and peaceful. I trust the magic inside me. I am loved always. Now, imagine the moonlight washing away any heavy feelings. If something has been bothering you, imagine placing it in a little glowing bubble. The moon lifts the bubble high into the sky until it disappears among the stars. You feel lighter. You smile. Now that you've let go, the moonlight leads you to a secret garden. A moon garden filled with glowing flowers and twinkling fireflies. Each flower represents something you love. As you walk through, the flowers open, just for you. You can whisper your wishes to them. They sparkle back, saying, "We believe in you." Now, lift your eyes to the full moon again. Thank the moon for its light, its calm, and its love. Feel gratitude blooming in your heart like a warm sunbeam. Say softly, "Thank you, moon, for helping me shine." Thank you, heart, for being full of love. Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, send a little thank you back to the stars. The moonlight slowly begins to fade, but its glow stays inside you. It lives in your heart, shining whenever you smile, help others, or dream big. Take one last deep breath in and out, knowing that wherever you go, your inner moonlight will always guide you. When you're ready, you can slowly wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes. Before you wander off, repeat these affirmations out loud. I believe in myself. My dreams are growing every day. I can do wonderful things.